morning and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I hope you like today's video, and if you do, I would suggest giving it a thumbs up or liking, subscribe and sharing and all that good stuff. And if you're returning, thank you for your loyalty, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Now, usually when I go out for the day, I have a plan of where I'm going and what I'm doing, because I like structure. I don't like to just kind of fumble my way through a day. But today I've come to a patch that I know quite well. I've spent some time here in the winter, some in the spring. Came here for the bluebells a few months ago, and I noticed then that all the ferns that were beginning to come out. So I've had a really thick area, so I figured that coming back in the summer it would be really grown up. Possibilities of maybe finding roe deer here today. The ferns are kind of 5-6 foot. I can see from here how much they've grown, and it's that summer season. Hoping that maybe there'll be some ant nests. I haven't found any wood ants nests, so this is my first kind of full 4 seasons around here. I know there's black ants. Seen a few nests already just from here, just from the lay-by I've parked in. And if I really don't see much, that's okay. The important thing today is just to be out in nature. And if I don't see anything, I'll probably give the buzzard a quick call. I know he's surrounding the kind of the Sisbury Ring, Chanctonbury Ring, Steyning, Horsham area. I've been quite lucky up to now, kind of 8 to 9 times of calling. I end up hearing him, and generally probably 7 out of 10 I end up seeing him. So I'll probably give him a call today anyway, just because I haven't seen him in a while. Just gonna have a quick cup of coffee, have a chocolate bar, which is really good for the diet. Whack on just my ghillie jacket, I think. I mean, it's a really thin jacket, but I think the camouflage will help. Hopefully I won't startle any roe deer. I did last year on a different area of the back of Steyning. I think it's because I was going slow and quiet. I think during the day some of the does had settled down amongst the ferns for the day, and I was really quiet and slow. I think that probably spooked them a bit. So I don't want to be too quiet because I don't want to startle them. To see them nonetheless. It's a glorious day, slight breeze, which is beautiful. Its temperature is, at the moment, it's 27 degrees, which is a hot day. I know that's in direct sunlight, but in the woods hopefully there'll be pockets of shade and I won't cook myself today. So like I said, quick coffee, chocolate bar, pack the bag and head off. That's pretty much it. So I'll get on with that. Trying to keep as quiet as possible because I've just seen a tree creeper jump from one tree to the other. He went straight around the back, but I'm hoping that he worked his way around this side, or he jumps over to one of the next trees and I can find him there. Oh, there he is. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Now I've had 5 or 6 people ask me in the last 3 or 4 months what this is, and this is a bottle of scent-free powder, so I can find out which way the wind's blowing, so I know whether I'm upwind or downwind of whatever it is I'm looking for. Okay, let's carry on. Necrophoresis is a sanitation behaviour found in social insects such as ants, bees, wasps and termites, in which they carry away the dead bodies of members of their colonies from the nest or hive area. Ant corpses emit a scent called oleic acid. These alert live ants to the likely fact there might be a new corpse. Ants bury their dead to prevent contamination to the rest of the colony and queen. They place the bodies in an area called the midden. Eventually I found a wood ant's nest, which was an impressive sight. Young nests are no bigger than a dinner plate, while a mature nest can be as big as 6 feet tall. This one was about 2 feet, but impressive nonetheless. typical, while I was trying to find a decent shot of the green woodpecker, that's him. You might be able to pick him up on the microphone. Over on one of the oak trees behind the camera. I spent like 5-6 minutes standing there, and I heard a noise behind me. I turned my head, and a roebuck ran from behind me in amongst this big thick section of kind of 4 or 5 foot ferns. And I thought, oh sod, missed that one. Carried on watching for the woodpecker, and a second one came through about 5 minutes later. So I think this might be where they've kind of bedded down. So I wedged myself just amongst the trees here. I wanted to get lower, but I'm not going to see the movement across the top of the ferns. So I need to be standing, but yeah, I'm going to tuck myself right in here. Wish me luck. Look guys, I think I'm going to call that a day. Spent another 2.25 hours in that one spot waiting for those deer, but in that time I saw 2 dog walkers with dogs off leads, which I know they are entitled to be, but one of them I didn't even know where the owner was. There was just nothing, just a dog. So I imagine the deer have, you know, especially as it was barking, it's probably barking at some deer from the area that I was filming from where they'd gone to across the path. Well, I hope if you're new to the channel and you've liked it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. That really helps to boost the channel. If you want to see some pictures, then please wait to the end. That's where I put the images. The more people I get to watch it to the very end, the better it helps with the algorithms. So, thank you. If you'd like to know when my next video is out, then click on the notifications tab and that will let you know. So it's time to head home for some really late lunch. It's been a fantastic four and a bit hours for me here. Weather's been baking, just clear blue skies. Been a bit hot for me, to be honest. Found a beautiful ant's nest. I must have spent like 20 minutes just staring at it through the binoculars, as close as I could get, but they cover such an area. It got to the stage where they started climbing over me, so I backed away as far as I could, with, you know, and still get as close as I could. Still didn't find the green woodpecker. He was taunting me when I was nestled in amongst the ferns there. He was really, really close. The pine trees, I don't know if you can see, just here, stops, and then it's oak trees for a section, and he was in one of the first ones, but I just could not find him. I've had a lot of orange butterflies as well today. I've seen 7 or 8 of them, like a really bright orange, so I'll have to look those up when I get back to the van and see what they are. But here comes one now. On cue. Lovely, thank you for that, Mr. I'll put it up here. Right, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now.